People often talk about AI in extremes. Either it's going to solve every problem we have, or it's going to replace humanity completely. But I think the reality is probably somewhere in the middle. AI is improving very quickly, that part is true. Systems today can already write code, generate videos, analyze medical scans, answer questions, drive cars in limited environments, and automate tasks that used to require trained professionals. A few years ago, many of these things seemed far away. Now they're new normal. That speed of progress is what makes people ask a serious question. Could AI eventually eliminate the need for humans in many areas of life? To understand that, it helps to separate two different ideas. The first is automation, the second is replacement. Automation has existed for a very long time. Factories automated physical labor, software automated office work, the internet automated access to information. Each wave of technology replaced certain jobs while also creating new industries around it. AI is different because it targets something more complex. Modern AI systems are not just following fixed instructions anymore. They can analyze patterns, generate responses, and adapt to different situations. That makes them useful in areas that were once considered difficult to automate. For example, customer support. A large percentage of online support requests can already be handled by AI systems without human involvement. Yes, I do get irritated when I'm not able to connect with a human assistant, but majority of the companies already adopted, and slowly we will and may be we have to. The same thing is happening in content creation, translation, scheduling, basic programming, research assistance, and data analysis. Companies are noticing this because AI can work continuously, scale quickly, and reduce operational costs. That does not automatically mean humans disappear, but it does change how human work is valued. Throughout history, jobs based on repetitive tasks have usually been the first to change during technological shifts. AI increases the number of tasks that can be considered repetitive. Even some creative and analytical work now falls into that category, but there are still major limitations. AI systems do not truly understand the world the way humans do. They recognize patterns from training data. That allows them to produce useful outputs, but it also creates weaknesses. AI can still make mistakes. It can sound, and sometimes it is confident while being completely wrong. It struggles in unpredictable environments where common sense, emotional understanding, or real-world experience matter. That is why humans are still deeply involved in most important systems. Doctors still verify medical results. Engineers still supervise AI-generated code. Pilots still monitor automated aircraft systems. Even advanced AI tools usually operate best when combined with human oversight. Another important point is infrastructure. AI depends on enormous amounts of computing power, energy, data centers, semiconductor manufacturing, networking systems, and maintenance. Behind every smart AI system is a large physical infrastructure built and managed by humans. The more advanced AI becomes, the more infrastructure it requires. This also means governments and companies remain heavily involved in controlling how these systems are developed and deployed. In many ways, AI is not replacing human civilization. It is becoming another layer built on top of it. Still, the economic impact could be significant. Some industries may change very quickly over the next decade. Certain entry-level jobs may become harder to find because AI systems can already perform parts of those roles at a lower cost. This is especially true in areas involving digital work. At the same time, entirely new industries are appearing around AI infrastructure, safety, optimization, robotics, chip manufacturing, and automation systems. As AI systems become more capable, companies may rely on them for decisions involving finance, hiring, logistics, security, or public information. That creates questions about transparency and accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? And these questions will likely become more important as AI becomes integrated into daily life. There is also the issue of dependence. The more society relies on AI systems, the more vulnerable it becomes to failures, manipulation, or concentrated control by a small number of companies. This is one reason governments around the world are starting to regulate AI more seriously. So could AI eliminate humans in 10 years? Realistically, no, not in the literal sense. But AI could reduce the need for humans in many specific tasks much faster than people expect, and this is fact.